In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate IRR using the built-in formula through Microsoft Excel. So we have the problem up for you. We're looking at an investment that's going to cost you $25,000 up front. And then after you put those monies into the project, you're going to get back $5,000 in year one, $5,500, $6,000, $6,500, and then $7,000 in year five. So how do you calculate the IRR for the project? You start by listing out all the data that you know. So the project cost is going to be 25,000. Year one, you're going to get back 5,000. Year two, 5,500. Year three, 6,000. Year four, 6,500. And then year five, 7,000. So then you go to the formula box, which has an F with a little X over it, and you can go to all and you find IRR, and you just click on IRR. IRR is a common, the internal rate of return is a very common formula used in everyday world. So once I have the IRR formula up, and you'll see it in the function arguments box, if you just select your data starting with the project cost, you're going to see this project has an IRR of 6%. I always use two decimals, so it's 6.04% in the IRR. This is such a crucial formula, and understanding what the return you can get on a project is really, really important. Remember that this is driven by the inputs heavily, so if the inputs you put in are incorrect, your IRR, your return on that project, is going to be incorrect. So really forecasting the project appropriately is super important. Thanks and have a great day.